this island safe as possible. There are numerous locations on the island that may still pose danger to the safety of the public. Whew. Should we go? I don't know. Yeah, let's go. Hey guys, what's going on? We're on another trip here. We're in beautiful Malta. Neither one of us have ever been here before, and so we thought, hey, let's do a quick weekend trip. That's what we're doing. It's beautiful here right now, but they say the weather's going to get bad. We were supposed to get on a boat. We had a boat rented, like our own private boat. We were going to drive it around and go exploring, but they canceled on us last night because they said the weather's supposed to be really bad today and tomorrow. So we're trying to make the best of it, but I'm not convinced. Look at this. There's one little cloud right there. I don't know. Oh, well. We'll see what happens. Anyways, we're gonna make the best of it and see everything that we can in our short trip, and we'll bring you along. We'll see ya. Hey, good morning guys. It's about 6 o'clock in the morning. I got up to try to get a shot of the sunrise. I'm kind of by myself out here, but I found this really cool spot with cool reflection pools. So we're gonna see how it looks. I don't know, it's a little cloudy, so it may not even look that good. I may be wasting my time, but I figure I would get up and at least try it. Fortunately, I have the casino kind of in my way as well. So I don't know, we're gonna make the best that we can. Got my tripod set up here. Gotta get the camera out. You can't even hardly see it, it's so dark. But the hotel is right there. Our room is right over there. So, yeah, I don't know. Sunrise is in about 30 minutes. So I got some time. I wasn't sure where I was gonna go, so I had to really get up early and kind of scout for a location, but hopefully this turns out good. We'll see. Fingers crossed. All right, guys. Well, I got some pictures. Not what I was hoping for, but I think I got some pretty cool shots of the water, some long exposures over there, which makes the water look kind of like smoky and flowy. It's kind of cool. I just wish the sunset would have been a little bit better, or sunrise would have been a little bit better. But anyways, as I was starting to pack up my stuff, I started finding sea glass everywhere. Look at this stuff. It's everywhere right here. So I may stick around for a little bit longer and look. Kind of cool. Anyways, I gotta get going. I'm gonna go take a shower and go get some breakfast. I believe it starts in about, I don't know what time it is, in about 20 minutes or so. Breakfast starts, so and I'm hungry, so we're gonna go do that. And I don't know what we're gonna get into. We were supposed to go get a boat today, but the weather is supposed to be bad, although it doesn't look that bad. I mean, it's a little cloudy. I won't be, won't lie, but it doesn't look as bad as what they were saying. Like they were talking about thunderstorms and huge waves, and I don't know. We'll see what happens. We will bring you along, whatever we do. Just walking through a gas station. So we're coming to this island, and there's a sign here that says, "We'd like to advise the public that although all efforts have been made to render this island safe as possible, there are numerous locations on the island that may still pose danger to the safety of the public." Whew. Should we go? I don't know. Yeah, let's go. We're just walking along admiring the boats. And I look down and there's a Canon just sitting there. Wonder how long that's been there. Wow. Hey guys, so we're out here at the Blue Lagoon. We ended up renting the boat after many emails back and forth with the company because of bad weather. They canceled. Then they were like, well, I don't know, maybe. Then they were like, no. And then they're like, well, call us in the morning. Well, we called and we have the boat. And we're out here swimming in the Blue Lagoon. It's a really cool area. I see why everybody loves this. The water is so clear. Look at this. I'll put my goggles on. I'll go down with you. Yeah, not too bad for a day that was supposed to be raining all day and just really crappy weather. It turned out to be all right. You gonna come in the water soon?
Yeah, I'm taking care of the boat.
Oh yeah, we're supposed to take care of the boat too. Pretty cool. Just can't get over this blue water. Just out here swimming in the Blue Lagoon, surrounded by beautiful boats. Then we got our rental. Just doesn't quite fit right in. It's alright. Let's see if those...
Same spot.
Yeah, we're on the same spot of the world. I'm gonna see if one of them will trade me straight up for the rental. I'll just tell them I lost it. Traded it for a yacht. I think this guy back here wants to trade me. guys, well, we got out of the water for a minute, take a little break, relaxing on the front of the boat, enjoying the waves.
Yeah. Taking it all in.
Back at the hotel, at the swimming pool, and we got food. Well, guys, that's gonna do it for Malta. Man, what a cool place. We really enjoyed it here, even though the weather was supposed to be crap for like half of the days we were here.
Yeah.
It ended up being beautiful,
We
just
really
like this.
lucked out.
We really did. And it was an awesome experience. And yeah, I guess it's time to close up this trip, and we'll see you on the next one.
Yeah. Hopefully we'll be back here. So.
Yeah, I hope so. We'll be back. I'm sure we will. Bye, guys. Famous ice cream?
Look how much people.
Oh my gosh.
Wow.
We'll have to come
They
back
come
there.
many people from all Malta.
Wow.
Yes.
Really?
For that ice cream.
Yeah.
But for a lot of people who lives in the south, for them it's like an outing, you know.
Yeah.
You come with the kids, take an ice cream.
Yeah. It must be good.
Yeah. No, it's become so popular.
Yeah.
That one. I remember it was till I was young.
Wow.
Mhm.